Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find spawners in Minecraft Bedrock. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. To start with, you just want to exit your world and find the world you're playing on and click the edit button next to it. I just want to scroll down until you find seed. Now what you want to do is just write down the seed. You can't actually copy it for some reason, but I simply just open your tab or write it down somewhere and have it ready to be used in a second. So then I'm going to come on this website here called chunkbase.com. Click on apps and scroll down to see seed map. From here you want to put in the seed that we just wrote down and select for version you're on. In my case it's Bedrock 1.2. I select overworld as a dimension. From there you want to click this drop down here and select all and then only select dungeon. Then I'm going to scroll down and put in your coordinates of your location. My case is 00 as by this balloon point, and just want to zoom in until they start appearing and it will show you which ones they are. Now if you click on it, it does say possible dungeon. It's not guaranteed 100 chance of finding them, but this will save you a lot of time, since eventually you will end up getting one, and as you can see there's quite a lot in this close area here, so you should be able to find one pretty easy with this method. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.